It's the latest way to get all the information you might be looking for on pain. It's called the Pain Channel. Dr. Stephen Siwek from the Pain Center of Arizona is here to tell us more about it, along with Michael Roman. Michael, it's good to see you. Thank you for joining us. We're going to talk about what you have been going through in just a minute, but I want to talk to you first about what the Pain Channel is.
Well, the Pain Channel is really about awareness. I started the Pain Center of Arizona about 8 years ago, and more recently, about a year or so ago, we were looking for a way to really bring an awareness to the community, to physicians, about the specialty of pain management. In some regard, it's a fairly new specialty, so there are a lot of treatments out there. There are a lot of new procedures and new medications that are available to patients suffering with chronic debilitating pain that don't need to.
People like Michael,
yes,
right?
ma'am.
And Michael, you are the current land speed world record holder,
How about
which is
that?
amazing.
That's
Congratulations.
well, thank you very much.
And this is what I think you're trying to reach. Tell us your story, because you had, what, like 40-something surgeries?
Yes, ma'am. And 6 years ago, that current world record holder, that Michael didn't exist. It wasn't until I saw a pain management specialist and found the solution. Mine was phantom limb pain. And after, as you said, 43 surgeries and a decade-long battle, and we were up to 400 milligrams of morphine a day and really had no quality of life and didn't know where to reach out until we saw a specialist like Dr. Siwek.
And now you're pain-free, you're achieving all these incredible records, going for more, completely changed your life. And this is important to you because you know what people out there who are suffering through pain go through. You said it was very difficult.
Absolutely, and isolating. You feel so alone and you don't know where to turn. And when we started this journey, as he said, pain management specialist is kind of new. And to get to a quality certified pain management specialist was kind of our calling. Susie and I have dedicated to go around the country, and that's why shows like yours are so very important. Somewhere in your audience is a family who is facing what Susie and I were facing, which is hopelessness and not knowing where to turn. And I'm here to report to your viewers that through Pain Channel and Dr. Siwek's group that the answer's out there now.
Is that why this is so crucial for you to let folks know that you're not alone?
It
you're
really
going
is.
through this intense pain, because it's psychological, it's physical.
I'll tell you that when I first envisioned the Pain Channel, it really started, like I said, it was a lot about here's the treatments, here's what's out there. And then there was a special episode where I met Michael Roman, and since that day, there's certainly a bigger push to let patients tell their stories, because the stories are really the most powerful method to reach patients that are out there. Sometimes telling them about a new medication might be helpful or a new procedure, but hearing it from the words of a patient that's been there and has been through that battle has changed everything.
Yeah, they feel hopeless, I'm sure. They're thinking they're on these drugs forever, and gosh knows the side effects of some of the things they're on. And as you said, pain management is new, so it's constantly changing. Things are getting better and better.
It really is.
You need to know about that, and this is a good way that you come up with to let folks know about the latest treatments, stories, and so much more.
Right. Like I said, every episode we'll do an Ask Dr. Siwek, where patients are writing into us, and so there's a part where patients can reach out and we can answer their questions, and they'll potentially see a procedure or a surgery that we've done, but the stories are really what's been most interesting.
So if you're out there and you're like, I want to see this, you have a live broadcast too that you'll be doing. Tell us quickly about that.
We do. Well, what happens is, every Wednesday you could see the Pain Channel, and again, every episode is going to be a little bit different. Every episode, for instance, tomorrow we have a specialty where you'll see actually the patient happens to be a physician who's undergoing one of the more interventional procedures that's just out there, and he tells his story, and it's pretty moving.
Very neat. Thank you so much for joining us, Michael.
Thank you for letting us share. I appreciate
Congratulations
it. And
to
thank you,
too.
Dr. Siwek, for everything you guys are doing.
Thank you very much.
That's awesome. Now, we're going to see a video clip that you brought with us today. Tell us what this is.
So this is, again, the evolution of the Pain Channel. What you'll see here is Michael and another family member of one of the patients, and even a physician, begin to tell the story. It's moving. It's about this issue of compassion. It's really, again, this beautiful, powerful tool. I haven't said enough about Michael and the level of influence and relevance that he has been bringing. He's taken this traumatic thing that's happened to him, and he's reaching lives and impacted. We had to tell that story.
That's wonderful.
That's what this is.
All right, let's take a look.
But I woke up in the worst pain I'd ever been in. I'm screaming in the recovery room.
to feeling empowered and charged. They're ready to face their life and confront their fears and triumphantly, come out on top. And I don't know, I guess that's why I do what I do.
And then he turned around at me and she said, she won't feel no pain. And I believed him.
Now, if you would like more information on the Pain Center of Arizona and the Pain Channel, you can go to painchannel.tv or thepaincenter.com, and there are the phone numbers right there on your screen.